Imagine running code automatically on a schedule in Azure without ever touching a server. That's the power of Timer Trigger function, and it's easier than you think. So come, let's get started. Azure Timer Triggers functions are a game changer when it comes to automating tasks in the cloud. Imagine being able to schedule tasks to run a specific interval without having to worry about underlying infrastructure. That's what Azure Timer Trigger function offers, a simple yet powerful way to automate the repetitive task. So in this video, we are focusing on AZ204 video series. So this video is part of AZ204 video series. We're focusing on many Azure functions, and this is all about Timer Trigger. Now, we have opened up the code. We will focus only on what is required. So I created a function called reminder function. Reminder functions, nothing, this is all same. It just injects few things like the couple of services and log of battery. What you need to know about timer function is, if you have a function that has a name, the trigger is timer trigger, and after timer trigger it is having an expression. It's called con expression, CRON. Okay, each one is having a meaning. So first one is seconds, second one is minute, hours, day, month, day of week. Each part is representing that format. So if you look at this screen, we have seconds, minutes, hours, days, month, and day of week, and each one has each one has a value, and that can be like this, followed by, if you have such expression, and this is what it means. If you have first one as */5, every 5 seconds it will run. There are other different examples based on what you put here. It will run on a different interval. For example, every 1 minute at 0 seconds, every day at 9 p.m, every day at 9 a.m, every Sunday at midnight, every hour at minute 15 and seconds 30. So there are different ways of using it, and there's a okay. So why am I using this function as part of this demo? If you look at this, what I have done is, so once you have the request done, so as part of this video, the reason for this timer function is, let's say it's been approved, a request was approved, so every 5 seconds it will run, but the logic is to check the meeting is before 1 day. So within the 24 hours of the meeting, what it will do is, it will check, it will go and query and check whether is there anything that coming up in 1 day. If it is coming, all what it will do is, it will fetch some information and send an email to the user. That's what this timer function is all about. So timer function will automatically pick up records, process it, and sends an email notification to the user that this is the meeting invite, and that's it. Okay, so we will run this function only when we need it. Otherwise this function is not used at all. Okay, so this is what the timer function is all about, and in the next video we'll be focusing on very important topics called durable function, and that has a big story, a big workflow to talk about. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe, share this with your friends. If you have any questions, post it in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!